Alright, so we're here today with coach of the team that came out on the losing end today. Speak to us about the game today, coach. So we'll give you the mic.
Yeah, man. Today, Mona saw the real Camperdown. That's all I need to say. Mona saw the real Camperdown. They beat us 9-2 early in the season, and they were confident that they would have run over us today. And we give them a real run for the money. And I tell you, referee. Teams don't need help. I don't need help. I know Mona never asked for help. And listen, man, it's easy as ABC. If there's a doubt that the ball is outside, you cannot give it to the attacker. It's a rule. The attacker can't get out of the ball. That's why you have an offside call. So the attacker is 1 millimeter. Is offside. So the ball, we don't have goal line technology here. So it's simple. It's simple. If you're in any doubt, let's flag. It's simple.
Alright, coach, there were very, very many questionable calls today. Do you think that it was the referee's incompetence, or do you think that you were outright robbed today?
Listen, man. I don't want to say I was robbed, but let me say don't look competent. Let me say that you don't look competent. Our face is against us. We get tackled. It's against us. It does not look right. I don't know where him live. I don't know nothing about him, so I can't say him robbed me. But I can't say him incompetent.
Alright, coach, going forward, because this would have been a gutting defeat. You know, you guys played Mona High School, one of the favorites to win the Manning Cup, the best that they've been played so far. This is the first time they've had to sweat. Going forward, how can you use this as a springboard to push forward Camperdown's campaign?
We are motivated. We need all the rest of points. So we have to go out there, fight. We never give up, man. We never give up. We say never die. So guess what? 3, 6, 9. So I can end up on what? 18 points. 18 points will claim as best third place. At least that. Our second same, you know. Listen, this one is funny, you know. Yeah. We have one runner lead, everybody fighting for second. So I'm still in the race. I'm just hoping that this referee is bad all the while and Mona continue to win.
Alright, coach, and you had, in my opinion, 2 standout players today on the 2 complete opposite ends of the field. The striker and the goalkeeper. Speak to us about those individual performances by those 2 players.
Yeah, listen, Devante McCray is our talisman, is our leader, is our captain. He has always played good for us. The keeper, youngster, but he has been stepping up and making. He made 2 mistakes today. You know? Yeah. Listen, Mona never earned a goal today. You know? They didn't earn a goal. We give them a goal. You understand me? So listen, we are motivated and we have a lot of things we can look at and we can get better. All right.
All right, coach. Thank you so much for talking.
Coach, what do you say to the boys after the game?
No man. Listen, my guys are spirited, and we're gonna get better from this. Believe me, because guess what? When I lose, we play the mighty Mona and them sweat. Them dominate everybody, you know. But today they were beaten today, you know. They were beaten every sector of the field. They were beaten today. All right. So that's it.
All right, coach.
Yeah.